Today we are going to be connecting n8n to Instagram. The steps is what I will be showing you today. So grab your pen and paper and jot it down. It's not straightforward. Where are we going to start to get our token? The Instagram token to use here. We will go back to Facebook. So you can go to developers.facebook.com/apps. You will land there. If you already have a business app, cool. If you don't have it, I'll redo it again. I know we did it while we're trying to connect to WhatsApp. So you come here, log into your Facebook, of course, and create an app. So you click on create an app, you create the app, you give it a name. I can just call it IGN8N, for example. Then I'll do next. Just follow the steps. From here, come to others, and then here also click others and do next. So what we are doing is creating an app that we will now use to get the Instagram ID. So from here on, I want to choose business, and then I click next and just follow the steps as I'm doing it. Again, you can grab a pen and paper and write it down. You don't need to have a business portfolio, just create the app. So we have successfully created an app on our Facebook. So this next step is for us to now add Instagram or WhatsApp or any other application that we want to use to this app that we have created. Okay, so this is it. What do we want to add? What product do we want to add? If you want to add your messenger or your WhatsApp or any other thing, but we want to add Instagram, so click on setup to add Instagram to your Meta apps. So I've clicked on Instagram. It's going to open up a page where I will configure my Instagram application. Don't forget, we are looking for an Instagram account that we can automate so that when we post every day, we can set up the post and say every day, go and use OpenAI or Cloud or anything, generate something and post there. So this is it. From here on, the next thing we want to do is to add roles to this Instagram. So look at the left here and expand the app roles here and choose roles. That's why I said write down the steps. Click on roles here. So you want to add roles and you come here and add people. My Instagram account is not here at the moment, so I want to add people to my app, add account to my app. So you scroll down here and choose Instagram tester. See, select Instagram tester and you come in here and type the Instagram account that you probably want to connect. So this is what I want to connect, State Prime Up. I can connect more than one here. If I want to connect my personal account, this is it. I can pick it up here. I've added all this. So I've added those accounts here. They will receive a notification, to accept whether to be added to this particular app or not. So you do this, right? All we need to do next is to confirm this invitation in our Instagram account. So I will click on a tab here, and this is the URL to visit when you want to, confirm your account. You go to instagram.com/accounts. Okay, let me just copy it here. All right. So you put the account here, the URL here, instagram.com/accounts/manage_access. So if you go to that URL, you will see the invitation sitting there. Look at the invitation here, and you can check out the test invite here. Under the test invite, it's saying, do I want to accept? See, n8n IG that I created. Do I want to accept? Then I've accepted it. So for me to have accepted, it means that I am ready to connect that account to the app that I've just created here. If I refresh here, it should no longer be pending for this particular third prime or IG account because I logged in there to accept now. So that should no longer be pending. It should show that yes, I have accepted that role. See, this one is no longer pending. We're fine, right? So let's come back to the dashboard. So come back to the left here where we have Instagram, and then we'll go to API setup with Instagram login. So from here now, see generate access token. You can expand this and you should have that account under the generate token here. So look at the account that I've added. Had it been I accepted the second one also, it should be listed here. So from here, you can generate token. So you can generate the token. It will ask you to log in into your Instagram account again just to confirm that you own the account before generating or allowing you to copy the token. So I want to log in now and then copy that token, then take it to n8n for me to create my Instagram credentials on n8n. So from here, I want to allow access. I'll allow access, and then it will allow me to copy. So I'll click on I understand and then copy the token. So if we go back to n8n here, let's add the node and just look for Instagram here. See Instagram. If your Instagram is not installed, you can see install node there and install it the way we did for Apify. So install it and then select it. So I'll just choose any of the options here. Let's say I want to post images. I'll click publish. What we are doing today is just to add account. So let me add a new credential and paste the token we copied there and save. See, there is an error. So this works for some people and it won't work for many others. You see, it didn't work for me, but there is no problem. That's why I say you should pick up a pen and paper. Instagram, connecting it with anything, you might face this problem, but we will solve it. So to solve this problem, we will go back to Facebook here, okay? See, we are back here in Facebook. Then you want to scroll up here to where we have tools and then choose Graph API Explorer. So click on that, the API Explorer. We want to use another method to generate our token. So here to my right here, under the Meta app, make sure you are selecting the right app. See the app I created now, IG anything. Select it. Make sure you select it and it's the one popping up here. Before you do anything next, make sure it's the right one. See, we've selected it. Then come down to where you have permissions there. And then I want to go to others and look for anything that has to do with Instagram and give it that permission. See, I'm adding all Instagrams here. I'm adding because I'm envisaging that I will need it for different things. So I'm adding all Instagram permissions here. See, I've added Instagram permission. I added 11. Then you can come up here and generate the token again. Remember the last one didn't work, but this should work. So this is asking me to sign into my Facebook account. So I'll sign into my Facebook account for me to be able to copy it. So it's me. Then it's asking me to choose the Instagram account that I want to connect. So this is the one I want to connect, Ted Prime Hub. I added it, continue and save. So after doing all this, then I will be able to copy the new token. Got it. See, I have a new token here. Then I can copy it and take it to my n8n and use. Let's remove what is there and paste it. Then do what? Save. Let's see if this will work. See, success connection tested successfully. But I don't want us to end there. We are almost done for today. I don't want us to end there because this can only, it will work for probably 1 hour. This is why some of the WhatsApp connections we've created have refused to work over and over again because we didn't extend the access token. So let me show you how to extend your access token here. Come back to tools and choose access token debugger. Click on the access token debugger and then paste the access token here and choose the bug When you choose the bug, it will give you the info about that access token. See the name and every other thing. Look at the expiration, about an hour. In about an hour. So it's just going to expire in 1 hour. Then I won't be able to use that access token again. Okay, and this is the scope all these permissions that I added for you to be able to manage comments, manage insight, publish content, and all that. So if you want to extend it, come to the bottom here and you will see extend access token. So this one will ask you to sign in again into your Facebook account, and it will extend it. Look at it. It has extended it for about 3 months, or is it 2 months now? Today is January, February, March, 2 months. So it has been extended for 2 months. Then I can copy this, come back to my n8n and change it from here and save. You see that it will still say connection tested successfully. So this way we have added our Instagram token. This is what I want us to do today. Tomorrow we will see how to now post to our Instagram, since we now know how to create the account. This is the end of what we'll be doing today. I'll see you again tomorrow.